Hi all. So today we'll discuss about the upcoming batch demonstration. Market lots of opportunities available. One big account going to swap Samsung to Ericsson. So Samsung to Ericsson, Geo is going to swap entire 4G E Node B to Ericsson hardware. So Ericsson is going to hire across the India. They will hire JS4, JS5 as a RF engineer or senior RF engineer. So it's a big opportunity in market as of now. So we are going to discuss the syllabus, what we are going to cover. And for your information, our training is on both the language, Hindi and English. So those are fearing about the English. Also, we have opportunity. So we'll discuss in both the language. So no problem. So we'll discuss the RF optimization Ericsson system KPI in syllabus. Why I am giving this training? Because I am Ericsson certified trainer as well as radio network optimization and planning. So in this entire syllabus we'll cover 4G, we'll cover 5G, we'll cover IMS means we'll cover VoLTE, we'll cover VONR. Let's see in the next slide what we are going to cover in terms of content. So first we'll discuss foundation of LT basics because interviewer still they will ask related to LT question. So LT basics will deep cover what in the next slide. After LT basics we'll move on 5G basics. Then we'll go third topic VoLTE basics. Actually VoLTE and BNR both are through the IMS enabled network because in LTE and in 5G there is no voice option, so we are putting IMS here for voice solution. In fourth topic we'll cover counter level optimization. In market lots of RF engineers are doing their job with third party organization where you are activity actively performing field activity, field optimization, you are azimuth, you are performing azimuth optimization, tilt optimization, like field optimization activity. But in global project or if you want to upgrade yourself, need to be work like counter level optimization. So we'll discuss counter level optimization. Next, parameter tuning. I'm not discussing here RX level, RX quality, signer. This is the parameter where we can directly tune for the improvement of the KPIs. Then we'll discuss Ericsson features because in Ericsson interview they will ask the Ericsson feature, Ericsson hardware. So, what latest hardware we'll discuss for the technology 4G, 5G. What hardware in terms of BBU, baseband, unit, RRU, which are using in market as of now. In LT basics, we'll cover LT architecture. Then we'll discuss node functionality and its interfaces. Then we'll discuss LT call flow. I gone through multiple resume and taken some interview, but candidate having 5 year, 8 year experience, they are not performing single LT call flow. It's a bad thing. If you want to selection in this tough time, need to upgrade your learning. Then we'll discuss layer 3 analysis. Mainly in layer 3 analysis, we'll discuss about the NAS and RRC related call flows. Then we'll move after basic of LT call flow. LT architecture, node functionality, LT call flow, layer 3 analysis will move on the LT KPI. In LT KPI, there is accessibility related to RRC, ERAV, and S1 signaling. Then we'll move retainability, where discuss abnormal regions of failures. Then we'll discuss mobility, how perform mobility, what is handover, what is the phases of handover, what is preparation, what is execution, what is the failure. Then we'll discuss the throughput, how we can achieve maximum throughput, how we can achieve maximum throughput, how we can optimize the site for the higher throughput. Then we'll discuss counter, what counters need to involve in LT KPI. Then we'll discuss about the parameter. In terms of parameter, like this is the parameter list, parameter names, for which parameter, for which KPI also discuss. So major things, this training is basically based on Ericsson parameters counter level optimization. Then we'll move soft optimization process. Suppose I am working in Ericsson, sitting in India, and we are supporting a US operator or other countries operator. So not possible to visit every time engineers on the site. So we'll go through the soft optimization process. We'll tune some parameter by remotely, not required to visit site. So we'll discuss soft optimization process. Then we'll discuss how to use MyCom, how to fetch the data, how to make the template in MyCom, or how we can use available template to fetch the report. Then we'll discuss how to log in the site, because here I am discussing KPI, key performance indicator. So I have to check to log in the site. If you know how to log in the site, how to check alarm, how to check parameter, how to change the parameter, you will definitely select. So how to log in site? Yes, we'll discuss how to log in site through live logging. How to check alarm will show live. How to do troubleshooting in ENM, also will discuss real time. Also will discuss real time case analysis, because an interviewer they will ask day to day activity. So whatever in terms of day to day activity, we'll discuss real time case analysis. Based on case analysis, you will perform better in the interview. Then how to log in site, we'll show you. So this is the site already login. We'll also discuss how to log in. So suppose I have to check the alarm. So I will put command here. So there is no alarm. Suppose I want to check the with tag, get dot tag. There is so multiple commands is here. We can do and we can check. Then we'll move after LT. We'll move 5G basics. Why 5G comes? Deployment option in 5G. Which deployment option operator has adopted to deploy either SA or NSA? So then we'll discuss 5G key features, NSA and SA model description, 5G node functionality, 5G NSA and SA call flow, 5G KPI, 5G counters, 5G parameter, and similar case analysis as compared to LT. Then we'll also discuss VoLTE basics, VoLTE call flow. Anyone know VoLTE call flow? Okay, no problem. Then we'll discuss VoLTE KPI, VoLTE parameters and counters and its case study. So basically VoLTE and the VNR call flow start with SIP, session initiation protocol. So also we'll discuss what is the registration, what is the invite request with the take the help of tool. Let me show you like this. tool we can use for the LTE call flow, 5G call flow, and IMS call flow. IMS start with registration. They are sending the registration request to the IMS node. So we'll discuss into the detail step by step. In fourth module, we'll cover counter level optimization. Ericsson counter description always start with PM words. So multiple counters is there. We'll discuss each and every counter. Based on counter parameter optimization, post CR, then we can pre and post analysis. What is the meaning of CR? This is change request. Suppose I have to change some parameter, so we can raise the CR against the cell. Then CR recommendation is sending to the customer, they will approve, then our implementation team implement on the site. After implementation of the parameters, will check pre and post. Suppose I have changed parameter, the KPI is improved, then good. If still not improved, so we can work for another parameter. Then after changes, we can analyze pre and post for the improvement. Then we'll discuss parameter tuning, soft parameter optimization process based on actual case study. Soft parameter optimization process means we'll show the some parameters. Like this, some parameter need to be like CRS gain. I have to check get dot CRS gain. So there is 300, current value is 300. So if I want to increase or decrease the coverage, we can increase or decrease the value accordingly. Then we'll discuss the next module. Ericsson features, automation, neighbor relation, EPC and DRX, DTX for connected UE, interfrequency load balancing, interfrequency LTE handover, data forwarding at intra LTE handover, mobility control at poor coverage, multiple radio bearer as per PCI conflict, PDCCA power boost maximum cell range, carrier aggregation, layer management strategy, multi-layer balancing, ANR, CSFB, SRBCs, and many more. 100 plus features is available. We'll discuss main features because not possible interviewer they will ask 100 plus features. They will ask 5 to 10 Ericsson features. So we'll discuss accordingly. Then some special features. So this is for 4G, this is for 5G. So we'll discuss carrier aggregation in downlink, coupling. So everything we'll discuss into the detail. MIMO, massive MIMO, 2 cross 2, 4 cross 4, 16 cross 16, like this. So how to log in the site already present to you. Okay, and put LTK command to check whether this is alarm present or not. Then we'll discuss how to fetch performance report through the MyCom. So don't worry about it. Everything we'll discuss which are required to crack the interview. In bonus, you will get 300 plus interview question discussion, CV discussion. So all interview question and answer already well prepared for you guys for your early preparation. So like this one. This is the design for 5G revolution with ATS. So every question and answer is available. So 250 questions for 5G and rest 100 plus question through the 4G. So both the technology interview question are available. So this is the 4G question answer and this one is 5G question answer. After the learning, the main thing is CV preparation because if your CV is good, it's look good, all major things written into the resume, then definitely your resume will be select. Once resume will be select, will provide minimum 2 interview call. This is minimum. no limit of maximum. Ultimately, we are working for your placement. You are not getting much salary because your learning is not much. So we'll provide learning and growth both. You can say something, we are providing 100% placement with your 100% effort is required. So thanks to all those are looking to upgrade yourself, because Ericsson is going to hire 500 plus engineers in upcoming months. So it's a big opportunity in India for the RF engineer. Who can join this training? DT engineer, those are working long time in DT. RNO, those are working in third party. They are maintaining Gadi Ghoda, rigger, engineer. Project manager, those are working in third party. They are still maintaining Gadi Ghoda and engineer, rigger. Or RF engineer, those are struggling on third party company, or those are looking to upgrade in 5G also, you can join. So thanks for watching this video. Interested candidate, contact us on this number 614 or 132. This is our official website www.arabtechsolutions.in. We are belongs to Maharashtra, Pune. So thanks to all. So anyone interested for this course learning, you can get registration. We'll complete this course within 30 days in weekdays batch or within 2 months on weekend batch. The actual fee is 15,000 for initially every batch. First 15 candidate will offer in 12K. So based on offer, you can get your enrollment. Thanks to all.